With more than 18,000 unaccompanied children in federal custody, border agents are overwhelmed and haunted by the stories of the children now in their care.
The untold stories of these little ones. God knows if these kids were molested during their journey.
That's because of their treatment at the hands of drug cartels and smugglers, being paid to get the children into the U.S.
And as I got closer to her, I noticed that she couldn't speak. And I asked the medical staff what happened. And the reason she was going to the hospital because she had gotten gang raped. And the reason that she couldn't speak was because she had lost her voice in the process while she was getting raped.
Officer Escamilla says unaccompanied children are coming in droves since their parents know they won't be sent back.
We're starting to see younger and younger kids being brought over by their sponsors, by relatives, by grandparents, whoever it is in the family that is actually asking for these kids and paying the fees to smuggle these kids into the country.
In this facility in Donna, Texas, migrant children and teens are sleeping on hard floors with aluminum blankets.
Every facility we have along the southwest border is over capacity right now.
While there should only be 250 here due to the pandemic, more than 4,000 are packed in this facility.
Our facilities were never designed to hold people for longer than a couple of days, much less 8 or 9 days, which we've seen.
And not all kids are coming alone. This mother holding her 2-month-old baby says she's fleeing poverty and violence in Guatemala. Texas Rangers rescued a 6-month-old baby girl they say was thrown into the river by smugglers who also assaulted her mother. This just days after news broke of a 9-year-old girl dying while trying to cross the river with family.
All the government officials tell us they are doing the best they can, but they're being overwhelmed by sheer numbers.
President Joe Biden tapped Vice President Kamala Harris to take the lead on stemming migration, an issue she discussed with faith leaders at the White House Wednesday.
We have to ask, why do people leave that? And usually they leave because there is a lack of opportunity or it is just not safe.
The White House is also clarifying this week that Vice President Harris is in charge of tackling the root causes of why people are leaving their countries and not overseeing the major issue of the escalating situation at the border. Reporting from Virginia, Abigail Robertson, CBN News.